September 1st. February 1st. It is 11:33. I just got done with the second round cleaning up outside. You can see right here is where we're at. So we got a dry slot right here. Got a huge dry slot right here. And all this was pretty much in our area about 3 o'clock this afternoon. So it's really taken off, cruising to the east, all the way down to Florida. This was in Texas this morning. It was back. Ice line came up to Champaign, and it's still windy, about 45 mile an hour gusts here. There were 60 mile an hour gusts in Chicago. There's can't even see the house. They're gonna be tearing it down. Cedar dead. Electricity was going out on this thing. It was flashing. Yeah, that pole right there was flashing. It's arcing. Really. Francis Road. They've been down plowing it, you can tell. I mean, there's a little bit here, but it just blows right over again. See what it looks like in the morning. You can see these drifts are pretty big. I don't know if you can see that coming off the house there. Yeah.
It's accumulating pretty quickly. Also, we have to think about the economic impact on the city, because this is one of the most, if not the most profitable street on Chicago. A lot of the major stores are here. We already heard that Nordstrom's is closed for the day. Also, Water Tower Building closed for the day, and most of the shops in Northbridge are closed. So if you were thinking about going shopping on your day off, first of all, not a good idea, and second of all, you are probably not going to find any shops open. Same goes for restaurants. They're recommending that you call ahead to anywhere that you want to go to take advantage of this day, but I don't think it's advisable, and I'm sure city officials would rather that you stay off the street. Also, most of the museums are closed. Field Museum is closed, so we have to see at the end of the day how this impacts the city, because it's
some pretty good drifts. Oh yeah. gonna go across the street. I gotta help them out. Their snowblower went down. It's pretty. That is almost up to my waist right there. Cool. Time to get to work. Work.
There he goes. There they go. Daddy made a track. It's Minnie's first birthday. What are you doing? Is it snowing? Watch him. Watch him. There goes a Minnie. Look at that face. Oh! Oh, do you hear Penny? What you doing, man? Not too bad. We don't have the drifts like everybody else does. Some right there. Oh, there she is. There's the birthday girl. Slow motion.
get him. Go get him. Go get him. Woohoo! Go get him. Woohoo! Woohoo! It's like F that. Woof. 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 Where'd he go? Where'd he go? Where's that? Where's that? They haven't figured out that you can walk along the house. The They're silly. They're silly. Ooh, it's getting windy. Ooh, it's getting cold. Woo! Woo! You guys ready to go in, or are you gonna play? It's getting cold.